As we know that the exam conducting bodies have started releasing the notification for government exams, and IBPS is following the same trend.
Now it has released the notification for IBPS PO and IBPS Clerk will be announced very soon.
Target before us is to cover 100 questions in 60 minutes, for which you need expert guidance and immense practice.
Entri brings before you a complete IBPS PO and Clerk Crash Course 2.0, which will not only cover up your prelims exam but also your mains exam with 7,000 questions and 100 plus videos.
This course Entri is giving you videos for reasoning, quants and English, 15 model exams for prelims, 10 model exams for mains and 30 subject-wise marks to make your each subject strong.
Apart from that, daily rank booster, current affairs, banking awareness, live mocks, daily vocabulary, subject exams and previous year question papers are such essential features of this course that make it a collection of 7,000 plus questions.
To avail all these features of this course, download the Entri app and enroll for the course now. Guys, utilize this time because time once lost cannot be regained. Thank you very much.